Whether you're gluten-free or you're simply looking for a healthier alternative to regular all-purpose flour, oat flour is the way to go because it's so simple and so easy to make and can be subbed into pretty much any recipe that requires all-purpose flour, such as breads, cookies, cakes, just to name a few. And I'm sure you can do this right now with ingredients you have in your kitchen at the moment as we speak. So let's get into it. So quickly getting straight into it, oat flour is the simplest thing to make. All you need is one ingredient, which are oats. You can use rolled oats or quick oats. I'm using quick oats here, and just to show you how easy this is, that you don't need any high-powered blender to do, I'm using my hand blender to demonstrate. Just add whatever quantity of oat flakes you would like into your blender, blend up until it becomes a powder. And that is literally it. That's all it takes, that's all you need, and you have oat flour. Also, oat flour is great for when you need and you go into the pantry and you ran out of all-purpose flour, whip up a quick batch of oat flour, and there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and have learned something new. Give this video a thumbs up if you would like to see more Cooking Basics 101 on top of the usual delicious recipes that you normally see on this channel. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time a new video goes up. So again, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys soon. I love you. Bye.